Hello, I'm Terence Young, Member of Parliament for Oakville. 92 years ago, at the 11th hour, on the 11th day of the 11th month, silence descended on the battlefields. The armistice between the war's participants silenced the guns of the First World War. As displayed on many occasions throughout Canada's history, our soldiers have always stood up to defend Canadian values, fighting with bravery, courage, and determination. On Remembrance Day, we pay tribute to the unwavering dedication of these soldiers who made the ultimate sacrifice in battles past, and we recognize the Canadians who today are working to defend our sovereignty and bring about peace and justice in the world. On November the 11th, Canadians honor those who were then and are now willing to place themselves in harm's way, to stand up for what's right, and to protect the values that we as Canadians hold dear. Thank you for all you have given and will continue to give to fight for our country, lest we forget.